Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to copy tasks on Asana. So you can see there are multiple tasks under this project. Now we will select the tasks. Now you can see all these tasks have been selected. Now you can also click on add section. So now what we need to do, just type here the command all copied tasks. So now you can see we have typed this command, and now what we need to do, just you can see all these tasks are here. So now click on this and type the new task. Just click on add button. Now you can check all the tasks have been successfully copied. So you can also make multiple copies of all the tasks. Just click on the paste. So this is the simple way to make copies of tasks.